Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change canvas on video or on pictures in CapCut. I'm using a picture for mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the video or picture and I'm going to select cutout, which is here by the way. So like scroll and then select cutout, select remove a background as well. And then you are going to go and press the check mark button. Go back and then go back again, and then you're going to scroll until you find canvas. You're going to select it here, and you can either use a color for your canvas, which just gives you colors like this, or you can choose background for it. You can add your own background by pressing the photo plus button here, or you can get some from the CapCut app itself. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!